Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to solve the basic solution of the error when we are trying to restore our database. Most of the time when I am trying to restore the database and we are getting the error that restore is failed because database in use. So let me recreate the problem and then we will try to resolve that issue. So I'm going to restore the database. So you can right click, task, restore database. So basically we are restoring from the backup file, device, and then add. This is my base. I'm going to restore and you see option overwrite because most of the time we are overwriting the existing database. I never tried to restore the database without this option. So see, and if you see here, the process of restoring has been started, but we still haven't any output. Like if it start actually the restoring, then we should get the progress. But if you see now, it says the restore of database failed because the data. And if you see the additional information, it says because the database is used. So how to resolve this error? So let's go to the new query. I choose the master here. So basically, if we don't know that, then we can also do master alter database test set single user and it set it as a single user, but with immediate with rollback. And then once we set it, set single user with rollback, and here we need to again set it to the multi-user. So now we need to put our restore database script here. So the catch is how to get the script. So basically what I'm doing is right click, task, restore database, device, add. So till now everything is how we did before, but now instead of doing OK or anything, click on the script. Right? And so this basically has created the script and put it here. And now we don't need this backup log. This is not useful. So now once we start, so if we can see the messages here, this is a very small database, so it's showing percentage 7 to 100 because there isn't much data in this database. Otherwise, it may take some time to start the process here. I'm also attaching the Microsoft documentation about how to set the single user, and also my GitHub repo script for this restore database. Thank you.